police officer. That's Officer Gene Bryant, and his moves earned the appreciation of these rappers. We're told Bryant is a well-loved part-time officer in Dawson. He works full-time at Fort Valley State University. Now, why are you laughing, Ben? He's an excellent dancer. Are you okay?
I'm not laughing. Officer Bryant has excellent moves. I could watch that all day.
You're jealous.
If it didn't make me call. I am jealous.
There you go.
I do not have moves like that. I can assure you.
There you go. Well, I'll tell you this. Everyone just loves Officer Bryant. It was neat calling over there.
Why.
So good guy. National news is next on NBC and ABC.
Catherine, we'll see you back here at 7 on ABC. I'll see you tonight at 11 on ABC and whenever the Olympics get done
About midnight.
on ABC. There you go. We'll see you later.
Good night.